SOX Second Sight helps you ensure that no Sage 300 users have sole control over the entry and posting of general ledger, accounts payable, or accounts receivable transactions. Once SOX Second Sight is installed, activated, and set up, the standard AP, AR, and GL batch list functions are replaced by extended functions that check the entries in a batch and block a status change to ready to post if the current Sage 300 user was the last user to enter or change any batch entries, as determined by the Sage 300 audit stamp. SOX Second Sight works with Sage 300 desktop screens and with Sage 300 web screens. Let's take a look. I'll open the SOX Second Sight setup program first. To set up, all you do is select the types of batches that you want the program to monitor. In this example, we won't enforce controls on AP or AR adjustment batches or on GL batches. Note that these controls are applied to all selected transaction entry and batch list functions for the current company only. If you have multiple Sage 300 companies, each company can have a different set of transaction entry controls. Let's try posting batches to see what happens. I'm logged in as Dawn. I'll open an AP invoice batch, and you'll see that Dawn created the second transaction. If I try to post this batch as Dawn, the program displays an error message and prevents me from doing it. As Dawn, I have a similar problem posting the AR invoice batch from the invoice batch list. I'll close the entry and batch list windows and then log in as Carla. I'll open the AP invoice batch list, open the last batch, quickly review the transactions, and then choose Post. This time the operation is successful because Carla did not create or edit any of the transactions. That completes a quick look at SOX Second Sight from TaiRox Software. Please visit the TaiRox website for more detailed information about SOX Second Sight and other TaiRox products for Sage 300.